Chinese artificial intelligence company DeepSeek is a wake-up call for
No one could have thought that a small side project of a Chinese company can compete with OpenAI. It caused a massive blow in the US tech stocks. Nvidia lost over $500 billion in stocks, which is a huge 17% drop. More shocking thing is that the cost of training the AI model is only a fraction of the cost for OpenAI. Yes, OpenAI reportedly spent $100 million for training their model, whereas DeepSeek spent only $6 million. In this video, we are going to find out what is DeepSeek, why is it a big deal, and is it really better than ChatGPT? Hello people, this is Bun. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Imagine a new AI that's as smart as ChatGPT, but instead of being locked behind a paywall, it's free for everyone. That's DeepSeek, the AI that's making the tech world go crazy. DeepSeek is a super smart AI built by a company owned and funded by Chinese hedge fund Highflyer. The CEO of the company is Liang Wenfeng. It's designed to think, solve problems, write, and even code, just like ChatGPT. But the fun part is, it's open and free. Now, why is DeepSeek a big deal? It's a serious competitor to ChatGPT. DeepSeek thinks fast, writes well, and even codes like a pro. It's getting almost as good as GPT-4 Turbo, which is the paid version of ChatGPT. Since it's open source, people can tweak, improve, and use it for any project. There is a lot of possibilities. Imagine ChatGPT, but you have full control. Most AI companies charge money to use their best models, but DeepSeek has a different thought.
Let's make it free for the world.
Now, developers, businesses, and even regular people like you can use it without paying a dime. DeepSeek is built smartly. It doesn't waste power like some other AIs. This means it's faster, cheaper to run, and great for businesses. Until now, the biggest AI players were American tech companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. DeepSeek proves that China can compete at the top level. Is it really better than ChatGPT? It definitely depends on the purpose of use. DeepSeek gives you full control and totally free to use, which puts it way ahead of ChatGPT. But in terms of smartness, brain power, speed, and smoothness, ChatGPT is still ahead. If you want free and open AI, DeepSeek is better. It is great for tech people and businesses. Or, if you want the smoothest, smartest AI, ChatGPT is still the number one. But DeepSeek is catching up fast. It might even beat ChatGPT in the future. Would you try DeepSeek, or do you prefer ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments.